Good customer service on social media can enhance your pub's reputation. So, a few key tips to remember include: respond quickly, aim to reply to comments and messages within a few hours, use templates for common queries to save you time, be polite and friendly, always use a professional yet personal tone, even when handling complaints, and acknowledge feedback. Thank customers for their feedback, whether it's positive or negative. Address complaints as quickly as possible and in a personal and friendly way. Acknowledge the issue, so apologise if needed and reassure the customer that you'll resolve it. Provide a solution. Offer to follow up with more details in a private conversation, such as a phone call or an email. Here's a good example of how to respond to a customer complaint. Use their first name when responding. Always apologise and offer a direct form of communication. Sign off using your name.